I'd like to provide a big picture overview of the Advanced Research Methods course. Now you need to decide very early on whether you're going to pursue a project, which is essentially a review of the literature, or a thesis, which involves you collecting data to answer specific research questions. So in the first part of the course, you're going to either develop a set of questions, 2 to 5 questions, or you're going to find a topic that is in need of review. I'm going to provide some guidance and videos about how to search for articles efficiently and effectively. And while you're in that search and reading and perusing articles, you'll want to think about, why is this topic important? What's the big picture? You'll have to develop a rationale for why the topic is important, or why the research questions need to be pursued. And you have to develop an argument. And that argument will be formed into an introduction. And that will be due lesson 4. Once we've searched and analyzed a few articles, we'll look a little more aggressively at the literature and really start to synthesize articles and organize our literature into themes. And that's called a literature review. And it's a big process. You can handle 3 to 4 articles relatively easily. When you get to 20, 30, 40 articles, you need a method. And I'll help you with that method. And you will produce a literature review. Now, this is a base outline for a literature review by lesson 7. At that point, we'll consider methodology, data collection, data analysis in both the project and the thesis streams. But the actual final assignment is going to be a little bit different. For the thesis, you'll actually be producing a method about how to answer the questions that you want to answer for your thesis. Whereas in the project, because you're not collecting data, what we'll do is a more in-depth literature review, really getting into the themes and searching up a sizable database of articles for you to develop a coherent, solid plan about how to proceed. And the project and thesis assignment is due lesson 11. Finally, you will be developing a future plan in order to complete your project and your thesis. And you really think about how to do this and how to proceed and the timelines. You'll really want to get a solid plan to proceed further. And that's the Advanced Research Methods course in a nutshell.